Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up a Discord server. First, open your Discord application and locate the green plus icon on the left-hand sidebar. Click this icon to begin the server creation process. You'll then choose to create your own server, deciding if it's for a community or just for friends. Next, give your server a distinctive name and upload an eye-catching icon. This initial setup takes less than 1 minute. Now, let's organize your server with channels. Categories help group your channels logically, making navigation simple for everyone. You can create text channels for written discussions on various subjects, like gaming or introductions. For live conversations, add voice channels. A well-organized server might have 5 to 10 channels initially, ensuring members can find their way around easily and engage in relevant discussions. Next, we'll set up roles and permissions to manage your community effectively. Go to your server settings and find the Roles tab. Here, you can create new roles like moderator or member. Assign specific permissions to each role, controlling what members can do, such as sending messages or kicking others. Establishing a clear role hierarchy helps maintain order and ensures your server runs smoothly with appropriate access levels for everyone. Finally, let's customize your server and invite your friends. You can add custom emojis to make conversations more engaging and even set up server widgets. To bring in new members, generate an invite link. You can configure this link to never expire, making it easy for people to join anytime. Share this link widely and remember to warmly welcome new arrivals, helping them get acquainted with your server's layout and rules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.